It's important to write. I think that writing and words are powerful. This is what I feel can change the world.
The focus of creative writing is discovery. The students who get the most out of this program are open to the possibilities that it presents that you may not have even been aware of when you walked in here. It's challenging and it's inspiring.
I have a science background, and writing has always stayed with me. It's been something that I've loved to do. It really fills me up. I was over 10 years out of a bachelor's degree, and I said, I want to get a master's. I'm going to go chase after writing. When I found out about VCFA, I immediately fell in love.
The low-residency model is a very immersive experience. You are hitting the ground running as soon as you arrive with readings, workshops, one-on-one mentoring sessions.
I've always been a fan of student-led curriculum. Every semester, you work with an advisor. An advisor usually has no more than 4 to 5 students. My advisors have really handled my work with care, which has been something that's been special to me because I think it's important when you are creating to have that safe space.
I learned so much from the advisees. It's not a teacher-student relationship. It's more of a dialogue between artists, and it's a collaborative process. As important as the writing workshops are and the craft talks are, the sense of community is one of the most important things that we have to offer here.
I've been so inspired by my peers. It's just wonderful to be around like-minded people. We are creating things to try to make our worlds better and the outside world a little bit better by writing ourselves into the future.